If you work in Microsoft Word, learning how to create external hyperlinks is one of those small skills that can save you a lot of time. Whether you want to link to a website, a file, or an online resource, Word makes it simple once you know where to click. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add an external hyperlink in Microsoft Word step by step, and I'll keep it quick, clear, and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical Microsoft Word tips and software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Microsoft Word document and go to the text or image you want to turn into a link. This could be a word, a sentence, a logo, or even a picture. To start, highlight the text or click the image so it is selected. This is the item that will become clickable. Next, right-click the selected text or image. In the menu that appears, look for the link option. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+ on your keyboard. That shortcut is one of the fastest ways to open the hyperlink window in Word. Once the Insert Hyperlink window opens, you'll see a few different options. For an external link, choose Existing File or Web Page. This is the option Word uses when you want to send someone outside the document, such as to a website or an online page. Now go to the address field and paste in the URL you want to use. Make sure the link is complete and correct. For example, it should include the full web address so Word knows exactly where to send the user. If you're linking to a website, double-check for spelling mistakes, missing characters, or extra spaces because even a small error can break the link. If needed, you can also change the text that appears in your document. Word usually keeps the selected text as the display text, but you can edit it before clicking OK if you want something more readable or professional. This is helpful when you want your document to look clean while still linking to a full web address behind the scenes. After that, click OK. Word will instantly convert your selected text or image into a clickable external hyperlink. You can test it by holding Ctrl and clicking the link inside the document. If everything is correct, it should open the website or destination you entered. And that's it. You've successfully created an external hyperlink in Microsoft Word. It only takes a few seconds once you know the steps, and it's a great way to make your documents more interactive, professional, and useful. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, office productivity tips, and easy software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.